प्रादेशीक आराखडो 2021 लागू करपाचो नगर नियोजन मंत्र्याचो निर्णय योग्य आसा। आराखड्याची स्थगिती हे जनतेच्या दोळ्याक उदक लावपाचें कारस्थान आसा। जरी तर ह्या आराखड्या बाबतीत कोणाक आडखळ आसत तर तांच्यांनी राज्यस्तरीय समिती कडेन कागाळ नोंद करून तातूंत सुदारणा करूं येता म्हण मडगांवचे आमदार दिगंबर कामत उलयल्यात। आरडेक्स गोवा खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिगीस।
So state government has powers to withdraw the plan, but there is absolutely no withdrawal of regional plan. There is a provision for the chief doctor shall withdraw the operations of the revised regional plan from the date as directed by the government in entirety or in part. That means you issue a notification that this plan of this taluka stands denotified, and we are preparing the new plan. But as things stand, even today, supposing there is a party whose land is zoned as settlement in the plan 2021, his plans are not approved by the town planning department. If he files a petition before the court, I am sure he will get a justice. So there is, as I have said, that this plan stands notified. Now today they have said that they want to approve all the settlement area. The question comes, why did they keep it pending for last 6-7 years? This is the question asked, I don't know which paper yesterday. Babush has given a good statement. Francis has given a good statement saying that on the regional plan he was asked the question. All project proposals which are based upon RPG 2000 were to be kept in abeyance with effect. Government had issued certain directions. Directions, wide number, CTP, TCP 2012 dated. They are not putting a section. All the directions have to be given under the Town and Country Planning Act. By putting a section of the under section, it is the power vested in the government. It is decided to withhold this plan, withdraw this plan. You have plans of 11 talukas. If government is not satisfied with money, 1 taluka, 2 taluka, 3 talukas, there is a categorical provision in the act to withdraw that plan from that particular taluka and denotify.
Denotify partly or fully, but no abeyance.
No, there is no question of abeyance. There is no provision to keep it in abeyance.
So that means you welcome the decision of TCP Minister Vijay Sardesai.
No, according to me, this decision is not even required. That's what I said. A common man can go to the town planning department, put up his plan, and then see. It was the BJP which put it in his manifesto that this regional plan shall be scrapped.
Yes.
In 2012, at the time of election, they tried to paint us black, saying that this regional plan will be scrapped and new regional plan will be prepared. That is why people are agitated now. The main problem is they are saying you had told us that you will scrap the plan and prepare the new plan. Our stand was very clear even that time.